Welcome back to our channel, where we're ready to help you beat the summer heat with 11 creative and thirst-quenching drink and snack recipes. These delicious treats are perfect for hot days and will keep you cool, refreshed, and satisfied. Let's dive into the flavorful world of summer delights. Refreshing drinks. Watermelon mint cooler. Blend watermelon chunks, fresh mint leaves, lime juice, and a splash of sparkling water for a refreshing and hydrating summer cooler. Raspberry lemonade slushie. Blend raspberries, freshly squeezed lemon juice, ice, and a touch of honey for a tangy and icy slushie that's bursting with flavor. Iced lavender lemon tea. Brew a cup of your favorite tea. Add a few drops of lavender extract, squeeze in some lemon juice, and chill it for a soothing and fragrant iced tea. Strawberry coconut water smoothie. Blend strawberries, coconut water, a squeeze of lime juice, and a scoop of your favorite protein powder for a light and energizing smoothie. Satisfying snacks. Greek salad skewers. Skewer cherry tomatoes, cucumber slices, Kalamata olives, and feta cheese cubes. Drizzle with olive oil and sprinkle with oregano for a refreshing and savory snack. Mango avocado salsa. Combine diced mango, avocado, red onion, jalapeno, cilantro, and lime juice for a sweet and tangy salsa. Serve with tortilla chips for a tropical twist. Watermelon feta bites. Cut watermelon into bite-sized cubes. Top each cube with a small piece of feta cheese, and garnish with a fresh mint leaf for a delightful and easy-to-eat summer snack. Frozen yogurt blueberry bites. Dip fresh blueberries in Greek yogurt, place them on a parchment-lined tray, and freeze until solid. Enjoy these frozen bites as a healthy and refreshing treat. Caprese stuffed portobello mushrooms. Fill portobello mushroom caps with a mixture of diced tomatoes, fresh basil, mozzarella cheese, and balsamic glaze. Grill or bake them for a flavorful and satisfying appetizer. Coconut lime energy balls. Blend dates, shredded coconut, lime zest, and a pinch of salt in a food processor. Roll the mixture into bite-sized balls and chill for a quick and energizing snack. Grilled corn salad cups. Grill corn on the cob and cut off the kernels. Toss them with diced tomatoes, red onion, cilantro, lime juice, and a sprinkle of chili powder. Serve the salad in lettuce cups for a refreshing and crunchy snack. These 11 creative drink and snack recipes are perfect for staying cool and satisfied during hot summer days. Try out these refreshing ideas, get creative in the kitchen, and enjoy the flavors of the season. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes, tips, and inspiration. Share your favorite summer drinks and snacks in the comments below. Stay tuned for our next video on Wne Wne, where we continue to celebrate the joys of summer and healthy living.